Hello, welcome to the Smarty service, and this is the review customer number 378, and this is iPhone 13. The reason customer came for the service is looping at the logo. After inspection, we found the short on top of the flat cable for the sensor on the screen, and we replaced the new one, and now it's able to turn on, no looping at all. The reason is the water damage. If you have a phone water split in accidentally or you drop the water, try to dry and keep it dry, so otherwise you will have this issue. So even though you have this issue, feel free to contact us at the Smarty service for the services we are able to help you, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.